Aww, look at me. I'm just sleeping 'cause I'm just so cute. Hey, what's up everyone? Kobanarmani456 here today, going to be starting a brand new Let's Play on a game I've covered a couple of times actually on my channel, but we're gonna log into our Xbox Live account right here and look at this handsome devil. Joking aside though, yeah, we're gonna log into Xbox Live right here, and today, like I said, I'm going to be starting a Let's Play on a game I've covered a couple times on my channel. The first time I did a Let's Play on it, and the second time I did a live stream of it, and this game is Sonic Unleashed for the Xbox 360. So, for all the people wondering why I'm actually redoing my Let's Play on this game, the reason why is because for my first playthrough of the game, I did it with the camera, and the quality, to be honest, was very poor. It was just terrible, like, quality-wise with the video, and also the commentary, my voice was kind of like high-pitched and would go out at certain times. It was really bad. Then for my second playthrough on this game, I did it as a live stream, you know, doing it with capture quality footage, but, well, capture card quality, but I kind of messed up my settings on the live stream, so the video footage was very, very laggy to where a lot of people don't watch that playthrough at all. And to this day, people still keep asking me to redo my playthrough on this game, so I've decided, for you all, for my viewers and for my fans, I'm going to do just that. And here it is. So, without any further ado, let's dive into Sonic Unleashed. Sega. I have to say though, I am really excited about doing this Let's Play right now, because this is without a doubt one of my favorite 3D Sonic games of all time, and here it is, Sonic Unleashed. I know some people may think that, you know, my reasoning for this being one of my favorite 3D Sonic games is kind of crazy, but I'm going to go into more detail later into this playthrough. Like always, you know, these are just my personal opinions. And for this playthrough, I'm going to be showing also not just like, you know, the stages like most playthroughs, but I'm also going to try and be showing a few like tricks, glitches, etc. that you can actually do with Sonic Unleashed, which I think are really cool. But anyway, so usually on these main menus, they have little opening cutscenes that kind of show certain clips of, like, you know, the game and stuff like that. I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and show this, because this is definitely one of the most epic, like, opening cutscenes I've seen for, like, a menu. So, I'm gonna go ahead and let you all watch it really quickly, and then we're gonna get into the story of this game. So there we go. That was the little opening cutscene for the menu right there. Very heavily based off the first E3 trailer that was shown off for Sonic Unleashed. So amazing, so epic. That trailer has always been my favorite trailer I've ever seen for any Sonic game ever. But anyway, yeah, so in my rambling right there, we're going to go ahead and create ourselves a new save file on this right here. So let's go ahead and select that right there. Wait, what? Okay, I thought I selected it. Let's just go ahead and save. There we go. And we are going to be starting a brand new game right here. So, let's go! My buddy's ready!
Sonic! I'm sorry. Really, look, go easy on me. I'll turn over a new leaf, I swear. Just give me a chance.
Well, this is new. Showing remorse, Eggman? If you played nice, I wouldn't have to break all your toys.
Gotcha!
What?
Oh, I've waited a long time for this. Brilliant success! It's just as the Gaia manuscripts foretold! The entity that was sealed within the planet has awakened. Now I just need to harness its power. Eggman Land will finally come to be!
You've really gone and done it this time, Eggman.
Ah, Sonic, that's a good look for you. Festive. So long, friend.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was the opening cutscene of Sonic Unleashed. I gotta say, that opening cutscene, one of the best, most epic cutscenes I've ever seen in a Sonic game. It's just so epic. The CGI is gorgeous. I mean, it looks like I'm watching a Pixar movie. And then we see Super Sonic, mother flipping Super Sonic in the beginning. And Eggman outwits them. It's just like craziness. Like, I always just love that opening cutscene. And cutscenes aren't over yet, as we see right here. I'm gonna let you all enjoy this.
What the heck is going on? Huh? Hey, are you okay?
I can't eat another bite.
Hey, pull yourself together!
Huh? Huh? Don't eat me! I taste bad!
You okay? Nothing broken?
Oh, I'm just fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Monster Guy.
Mr. Monster Guy? Looks like things have gotten pretty ugly.
Yeah, look at those teeth and those claws. What's your name, anyway?
I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. And you are?
Huh? What is my name? Ah! I don't know! I can't remember!
What? You forgot who you are?
Yup. I remember something falling from the sky, and everything just going all white. And then nothing. I can't remember a thing past that.
Uh-oh. Did I fall on him?
Oh man, what am I gonna do? What can I do? Where do I go from here? What'll I... I'm hungry.
Hey, don't worry. I'll help you get your memory back.
Really? You mean it?
Absolutely. I'm sure we'll find somebody who knows you if we look around.
Oh, thank you. You're the best, Mr. Monster Guy. I mean, Sonic the Hedgehog. Ha
Huh? What?
That was amazing.
Alright, so we get introduced to a new character right here, and here we are on the first stage. So this is where we get accustomed to Sonic's gameplay right here. This is the first game that actually introduced the Sonic Boost in, you know, a 3D Sonic game right here. Basically to where if you have ring energy, if you keep on collecting rings, you can keep on boosting. As you can see on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a gauge. So as long as you have ring energy in there, you can boost as much as you want. And this game gets really fast and crazy. This is, in my opinion, actually the fastest 3D Sonic game in existence. Even faster than Sonic Generations, in my opinion. Anyway, we are in Apotos Act 1, and we're done already with it. So there we go. That was Act 1. Just kind of got used to the controls, and because I kind of did pause a little bit there on that section, we got ourselves an A rank instead of an S rank. But there we go. That was Apotos Act 1, and we're done here. So, also this game introduces kind of like some RPG elements to it, just like Sonic and the Secret Rings, to where basically you can upgrade certain stats for Sonic. Like right here, we have speed, ring energy, and then if you go to the Werehog, you have combat, strength, life, unleash, shield, etc. The more experience you get, the more you can level up Sonic and you know, the Werehog. And that way you can do better in the stages, like get faster times, like with speed runs, or, you know, just be stronger in general when doing the Werehog stages. Anyway, there we go. So now we got ourselves a loading screen, and the reason why I'm doing this on the Xbox 360 version is because, oh, cutscene. Basically, PS3 has long loading times.
What do you figure that was all about? The hair, and those arms, and look at the Chaos Emeralds!
So, is this what you usually look like?
Yeah, this is the real me. Pretty cool, huh? Huh? Where'd you go?
Whoa.
Looks good, don't it? That there chocolate chip cream sundae supreme is the pride of the city. The whole world can come tumbling down, but they'll still line up for a taste.
Hey! What about your memories?
Chocolate chip sundae supreme.
You said it. Enjoy it, kiddo. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't love it, you get your money back.
Hey!
Oh, I love it. Wow, this chip whatever stuff is great.
If you say so. How about you give me a hand and help look for somebody who knows you, Chip?
Chip?
Gotta call you something, don't I? What do you think?
Yeah, Chip. Chip. I love it. Yum.
Now what do you say we start asking around and see if anybody here knows you?
Okay.
Okay, so that's another cutscene right there. So now we finally have a name for this little character that is every fanfic author's dreams come true, and his name is Chip. He basically is like the Navi of this game, to where he kind of helps you out during stages, gives you advice, etc. But later on in the game, he's going to play a much more important role, but I'm not going to spoil that right now. Anyway, here we are in the hub world. And this is where Sonic has free reign to basically do whatever he wants around here, kind of explore, get moon medals like we just got right there, and, you know, talk to the inhabitants of this world right here. But, to be honest, I don't really like the hub worlds in this game. I feel like they waste a lot of time, you know, just kind of slow us down from the main gameplay that we really want to play. But they're not terrible, it's just that they can be somewhat annoying. But hey, I mean, for Let's Play sake, I can do crazy voice acting and stuff, so this is what's going to make it so much fun! So we're going to talk to this dude right here, Gramps and Granny, so let's see what he has to talk about. Don't mind her, she lost her dentures in the earthquake this morning. She says, welcome to Apotos, a toothless but heartfelt greeting. Okay, so they obviously have no idea who or what Chip is right there. He's so clueless. So, yeah, if you actually explore around the hub world, like I said, you can collect these little medals. These medals help you unlock extra stages later into the game, so you'll mostly find a lot of moon medals in the daytime stages right here, and then in the nighttime stages, you're going to find more sun medals. But anyway, let's talk to this woman right here. Hello, lovely weather we're having today, isn't it? Oh, and who's this little fellow here? Do I know him? No, I can't say I've seen him before. Perhaps someone else has. And if you all don't like the voice acting, just let me know in the comments below. Like, I don't know, I always like goofing around in my playthroughs, not taking stuff too seriously, because it's a game, you know, you're supposed to have fun. But anyway, here we have Gregorius. Well, what have we here? Travelers, what a pleasant surprise. Trying to figure out which way to go. Not an easy choice. If you continue straight ahead, you'll come to the entrance stage. I have an inkling that leads to your future. Alright, thanks. I'll take a look. An enthusiastic response. May good fortune smile upon thee. Yeah, you really don't have too many deep conversations with these characters. In fact, most of the time it's just a waste of your time, honestly. But you sometimes have to search around for the right people, and that way you'll, you know, get hints on where you need to go next. See right here, we got this little kid. This kid? Nope, I don't think I've seen him before. For real? He lost his memory? That's gotta be tough. You can go all kinds of places from just up ahead. Who knows, maybe that might jar something. Then there's a sailor dude, screw him. So we're just going to go into the entrance gate right here, and this is where we actually have access to the stages. Quick edit right there, sorry about that. My Elgato ended up actually ending the recording right in the middle of the stage right there, so sorry about that. But anyway, as I was talking about around here, the Wii version of this game actually does not have these hub worlds that you have to explore through. Wii version has it to where you actually talk to, you know, people throughout these certain menus and then easily navigate to the next stage you need to go to. And while I do like how the Wii version does save a lot of time, I do like how this version actually lets you explore around here and destroy things all over the place. But yeah, I do like the exploration of, you know, these hub worlds. Anyway, enough of my rambling. We're going to go on into Windmill Isle Act 2 right here, and yeah, let's go. Alright, here we go. Sploosh! So, as I said in the first act, this is the first 3D Sonic game that introduces us to the Sonic Boost, to where we can blaze through these stages at supersonic high speeds. It's like Sonic is going around 300 miles per hour in this game. It's so amazing, and because Sonic is going so fast, he gets an aura around him, which basically gives him near invincibility in this game, except, you know, from certain environmental hazards and bottomless pits that you're going to run into a lot in this game. But I have to say, I really do like the modern Sonic gameplay. I think it's really awesome, you know, how, you know, Sonic can go at such high speeds, and, you know, the more you actually master this gameplay, the faster you can go. I know some people, you know, don't like, you know, the boost in this game because they feel like it makes Sonic too easy. But, I don't know. I've always really enjoyed it. I have to say, this is an awesome opening stage right here. It's just so lively, so lighthearted. And, you know, the environment is just absolutely gorgeous around here. Look at this. It's so beautiful. We're going at such high speeds, it's like you almost kind of want to stop and just admire the graphics and the environment of this game. Anyway, if you come over here, get yourself a Sun Medal right there, which I had actually collected before my Elgato started to mess up on me. But this is not a 100% playthrough. I'm not going to be getting all Sun Medals or anything like that, but I am going to try and get, you know, what's necessary so that I can actually go to Autobot, as you need about, I believe, I think 2 or 3/4 of the medals, I'm not sure. Also, another thing this game has, quick time events, which is something, you know, some people are a bit iffy about in the Sonic series. Not too fond of quick time events myself, personally, but, you know, they're not too bad in this game. They do get a bit crazy later on in the game. If you actually come down here, they sneakily put there, a moon medal. So go ahead and snag that. But yeah, this game is so awesome. I love it. And also another thing about this game actually introduced the 2.5D gameplay to the Sonic series, to where this game easily transitions from 2D to 3D, you know, random times throughout the stage. And it's just so smooth. Sega did a fantastic job, and to this day, still knows how to do that really well. But anyway, there we go. That was it for Windmill Isle Act 2. And oh my god! Holy crap, we got ourselves an S rank on that stage. It's actually kind of hard to get an S rank on this stage when you have, like, you know, start out in the beginning of this game with an underleveled Sonic. But anyway, there we go. Got ourselves 1 bar of experience, and I'm going to upgrade my speed. And there we go. That is it for Windmill Isle Act 2. So now, I believe we're about to have a cutscene. I'm not too sure. I can't recall, honestly. Yeah.
Still no luck finding anyone who knows me.
Don't worry about it. Maybe your memory will come back on its own. Remember anything yet?
Nope.
Oh well.
Oh, look at this. Here we go. Freaking Sonic hit puberty so hard right there. Look at that.
So when the sun goes down, I turn into this?
Yeah, dude, that's what happens when you touch yourself at night.
I'm fine. I just need to be careful who sees me like this.
Can't let people know your dirty little secret.
What is it?
Oh, it's hopeless. The whole planet is split apart.
Look at that. He's got freaking sperm flying over his head. Do you see that? Those look like little sperm eggs. That's so gross.
Some more of this super tasty stuff.
I guess what's happened is
Ice cream
at
at a time like
night.
this.
Holy Mrs. Incredible, Batman.
Sonic, your arm just stretched.
Weird. But it could be useful.
Okay, so we see this little dude having sperm on his mind right there, having a little tantrum. Even ice cream can't help him right there. But dude, think about the creaminess. It'll get you all happy and weeknight. Anyway, so this right here is the Werehog, and you know, the Werehog's gameplay is very different from modern Sonic's gameplay. See, I feel like they added the Werehog here to kind of extend the replay value of this game, extend this game, as you know, we blaze through those stages super fast to where right here now the Werehog you just kind of slow down at night. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and end off this video right here, actually. Sorry for all the people who wanted me to actually continue this right here, but I don't want to get this video too long for a first part. But in the next episode, we're gonna be exploring with the Werehog at night. And yeah, but if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really helps out a ton. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this game, if you are excited about me doing this Let's Play on my channel, and you know, if you want to see more of this game. Also, I would love to hear, you know, if you have any little secrets or tidbits about this game that you would like to share with me in the comments below. I would love to hear that as well. But yeah, that about wraps it up for this first episode right here. So, thank you all again for watching. See you all. Have a good day. Peace, Commander Mites. Don't you do nothing bad tonight.